Hello, my name is Bruce Whitfield. This is ECN 424 Section 1. This is the Project 1. I have the traffic light controller, and this is the finite state machine. I have the entity set up with a clock reset, long and short time interval, and car waiting sensor, and an output of start timer, and the output for the 5 stoplights. The 3-bit ones stand for, the 3 bits stand for red, yellow, green, and the 5-bit stands for red, yellow, green, green turn, yellow turn. And this is the architecture. I created a state type with 8 states, and I created signals for current state, next state, of state type, and then 5 temp signals for the stoplights. I have my process here with clock and reset. If reset's 1, the current state is state 0, and if clock event and clock is 1, the current state is next state. I have a process set up right here with current state, next state, long and short time interval, and the car waiting sensor and sensitivity list. And I have a case statement with current state and as a selector. When in state 0, start timer. The lights for A south, it'll be green and green turn arrow, and the rest will be red. If the long and short time interval are up, then the next state is state 1. When in state 1, start timer. And then you have, for A south, you're going to have it green with a yellow turn arrow, and the rest will be red. Long and short time interval, and if a car is waiting, the next state is state 3. Otherwise, next state is state 2. And state 2, start timer, and the A lights are green and the rest are red. If the long interval is up, next state is state 3. When in state 3, start timer, and the A lights are yellow and the rest are red. If the long and short time interval and a car is waiting, next state is state 6. Otherwise, next state is state 4. When in state 4, start timer, the A lights will be red and the B lights will be green and C will be red. And if a long time interval is up, then the next state is state 5. When in state 5, it'll start timer. The A lights will be red, the B lights will be yellow, and the C light will be red. And if the long and short time interval are up, the next state is state 6. When in state 6, you start your timer. Everything will be red except for the C light will be green. If the long time interval is up, the next state is state 7. When in state 7, you start your timer. Everything will be red, but the C light will be yellow. If the long and short time interval are up, then the next state is state 0. When others, I in case in process, and I set my temp signals to my output. And right here, I have my waveform. So whenever you are in state 0, you have the A south will be green with a green arrow, and the rest will be red. In state 1, you'll have everything will be red, and A south will be green with a yellow arrow. And in the next state, both the A lights will be green, and the rest will be red. And in the next state, the A lights will be yellow, and the rest will be red. And the next state, the B lights will be green, and the rest red. And in the next state, the B lights will be yellow and the rest red. And the next state, C light will be green and the rest red. And in state 7, the C light will be yellow and the rest red. And then the state 0 starts over. And that is the waveform for the traffic controller. Thank you.